let's watch the Old Spice commercial. The man your man can smell like. Get spoofed!
Hello, parents. Look at your kid. Now back to me. Now back at your kid. Now back to me. Sadly, your child is not me. But your kid could be like me if he used the non-distractonator. Look down. Back up. You're at the school with the brainiac your kid could be like. What's in your hand? Back at me. I have it. It's my report card with all A's. Look again. The report card is now a college degree. Anything is possible with the distractonator. I'm doing my homework.